Welcome to Cooking with Rod. I got a great recipe for you today, so here we go. If you love McDonald's chicken McNuggets, you need to try this homemade version. Inspired by Joshua Weissman, I will put a link to his channel in the description below. These nuggets are ultra crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, and it tastes shockingly close to the real thing, if not better. Perfect for game day, parties, or whenever the nugget craving hits. Pair them up with your favorite dipping sauces, and you'll never look at fast food the same way again. Okay, we're gonna chop our chicken into manageable pieces. We're gonna add those into our food processor. To that, we're gonna add in our egg white. Then we're going to add our salt, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sugar, cornstarch, and ice water to the food processor. Then we're going to blend that until completely smooth and emulsified. Transfer that into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. We're going to pipe those onto a cookie sheet with a sheet of parchment paper on it. Try to make them look kind of like the nuggets. I'm going to transfer those into the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes until firm but not solid. This helps them keep their shape. Okay, in a small bowl, we're going to whisk our flour, cornstarch, salt, paprika, and white pepper together until evenly distributed. Okay, we're going to place our nuggets in the flour mixture and press it in so that it's very well coated. So in a large pot, we want to bring our oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Okay, we're going to carefully place our nuggets into the hot oil. We're going to fry the nuggets for 3 or 4 minutes until golden brown and cook through. Then we're going to carefully remove those with a spider and place those on a wire rack to cool. Then we'll sprinkle them with a little salt. Then we can serve those up. Put those with your favorite sauces like ketchup or sour cream. Okay, to store these, you want to let them cool on a wire rack until completely cool. Then we're going to put those in an airtight container, but we want to put a piece of parchment paper in between the layers. You can store those in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Okay, if you're going to freeze them, you want to put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and flash freeze them. Then once they're frozen, you can store those in the freezer in a Ziploc bag, or better yet, vacuum seal them. Okay, set your oven or your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Okay, if you're doing those in the oven, you want to place them on a wire rack over a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Heat those for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway, and serve immediately. Okay, if you're doing them in the air fryer, you want to place those in a single layer in the bottom of your air fryer. Heat those for 5 to 7 minutes, turning them halfway through. Then you want to serve immediately. Okay, you can reheat those from frozen. Preheat your oven or your air fryer to 375. Just add an extra 2 to 4 minutes to the cook time. Then serve those up immediately. Okay, some chef notes. Ice water is the key for the classic McNugget texture. Don't skip the freezing, it prevents spreading during frying. Use a thermometer to keep your oil at 350 for even browning. For extra authenticity, keep nuggets small and uniform. Some serving suggestions: We have sweet and sour sauce. We have honey mustard, barbecue sauce, spicy ketchup, buffalo sauce. Serve these up with some fries, coleslaw, or a milkshake for the fast food experience. So there you have it, homemade chicken nuggets. Enjoy. Alright, thanks for watching Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make this recipe will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends.